All right, let's check out this surge protector and look at this. It has different connections all around it. All right, right now I have it connected, so it is on right now. There's a power button here, so you can turn it off and on. So it has 12 connections all around it, including two USBs on the top, 2.4 amps, if you guys can see that. And then it has a 3 amp, which is a type C. But on the lower cases where I'm actually charging phones right now, we have an actual PD 20 watts, and this is a fast charging type C. This is an iPhone connection here. So right now we are charging on our iPhone, and let me stand it up so you guys can see it. It is charging on our iPhone until you actually connect it. When you connect it, it starts charging. You guys can see that. Now this is the type C, and it's also charging type C when you connect it. There you go, it starts connecting automatically. Now I like this part. This is my favorite part. Look at this. So this is pretty long. They give you an extensive of cable in here, and to roll it back, you just screw it in, and look at that. Goes back into the actual fixture itself. It has footing in the bottom, so you don't have to worry too much about stabilization. Now this one's a perfect if you have these kind of bricks in here to connect. Look at this. You could connect them, and you'll have enough space for more here, of course, every single one of them. And I like the off and on button. So this is a safety mechanism. So in case you're traveling or leaving, just want to turn it off. And to turn it off is simple. You see the little light on, and you just hit the power, it turns off. There's no power. Now, pull it back, and it goes in. That's pretty much how it is. So all around it is really simple. This is perfect to put in your desk. And I actually have it right here in my front of my desk all day because I like to charge things, I like to power things, and make sure that they're all powered up when I'm going to review them or use them, especially my phones. That's one thing I like to do, and I like that I don't have to worry about looking for cables. The cables are built in the system itself. Very simple. I like it. It's small. It doesn't take too much space. From the top to the bottom, it's about 8 inches, if you guys can see that. The fixture itself, it's about 3.5 inches wide. So it's not bad, long, 8 inches. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.